for the frosting. Heaping cup of powdered sugar for the frosting. About 3 heaping tablespoons of chocolate syrup. We're going to need about a teaspoon of milk at a time here. So about 2 to 3 teaspoons. A really thick glaze here. Put that to the side. Okay, there we go. Good. Warm milk, 96 degrees, somewhere in between 90 and 100. One cup. 3 teaspoons of active dry yeast. About a heaping teaspoon of sugar. Just gonna mix this up. We're gonna let that yeast rise and bubble and foam. 1, just to activate the yeast, and 2, to make sure that the yeast is still good and is active and not dead. As we can see, the yeast is definitely bubbling up and is active. Look at that. We're going to this in a bowl. Big ass mixing bowl. Now, half a cup of sugar. 1 room temperature egg. Fourth of a cup, 1/2 stick melted butter. It's been cooled off a little bit. You don't want it too hot or it'll kill off the yeast or cook part of that egg, and we don't want either really. Slowly add 2 cups of flour. You're going to start out with the wooden spoon. If you have a mixer with the dough hook, much the better. Cover. Let rest for an hour, double in size. Sprinkle out a little flour here. This dough is going to be wet and sticky. Now, not too much flour. A little flour out here. Now we're going to work this dough just a little bit. Cover these. We're going to let that rise for 20 minutes. Use any size, circumference, lid, mason jar, and or cup. If you want holes, just take the top of a soda bottle or a wine bottle, poke them down, create the holes. I am not. I'm just going to do these the way they are. We're going to take the air fryer, basket and or trays. I have trays. Coat the bottom or some parchment paper with a little bit of oil or spray oil. Okay? Then we're going to do 350 degrees, 4 minutes on each side. We're going to flip them halfway through. 8 minutes total. Eight minutes, 350. Flip them halfway through. Parchment paper, added a cup more powdered sugar there. There we go. Nice stickered glaze. I adjusted the time on the air fryer for 6 minutes. And I already tasted one, had one, and they were pretty good. I think I might add a little bit more sugar to the dough recipe next time, but overall very good. Enjoy.